Hi Lily, good morning. We're gonna do a quick lightning round today. You are ready?
All set. Hit me with the questions.
What's one thing you can keep every single morning?
A hot cup of coffee plus a clear daily to-do list to map out all my clients' work.
When you're off work, where do you usually spend your free time?
I love traveling or wandering around taking photos to capture little nice moments.
What factory stress do you like bragging about most when chatting with overseas buyers?
Our top-tier precision metal stamping, in-house mold making, and super strict quality inspection standards.
How do you stay on top for complicated, tight deadline silent projects?
Smooth communication with every internal team, solid planning and taking full ownership of every orders.
What's your trick to earn long-term trust from foreign customers?
Listen closely to their real demands, always deliver what I promise, and put their project needs first no matter what.
Send a quick wish to everyone watching this video.
Hope we all stay motivated, keep open communication, and grow our business hand in hand this year.
Awesome, thanks Lily.
Thanks everyone, bye.
Bye.